Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't.
So, we're going to the worst city on the planet. We have a set in Berlin. Let's head off.
I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body.
A few days ago we just came back from Austria. I just got a new haircut and then we already went back on set. Now we are here near Berlin. Really hate Berlin. Berlin is the ugliest city on the planet. We're on the set since 6 a.m. Now it's already 10. I've just got 1 hour sleep, but we really achieved some amazing shots. Like, we're gonna continue filming. Of course, I can't share these shots. Yeah, as always. Nice shots, nice film team, everything is perfect. Oh, someone was asking for me. See you later.
Coming. A little bit of party. Never get nobody. Come, let's move our body. Coming.
So I'm back home. The set was amazing. Everyone is happy. Really achieved some beautiful shots. Was just amazing. City outside and work a bit. I watched the footage we've shot and a few things for Two Moon, my production agency. Just answer some emails. I will definitely talk about Two Moon in the next couple of videos, because I'm pretty proud on this, especially how it goes. And everything goes better than I expected it to be when I've started a few months ago. This is something I've wanted to talk about and I've wanted to give you on the way at the end of this vlog. Because I think it doesn't matter what you do or what your plan is in your life. There will be a day where everything makes no sense and it feels like everything is impossible. You just want to give up. I had a lot of these days and sometimes they really got me. And now when everything is going better, I obviously don't have these days as much. But even now sometimes I have this. Everyone will have this. And just what I want to tell you out of my personal experiences, you don't do anything wrong. You're doing the right things, you're heading into the right direction, but you're currently feeling something where other people would give up. And this feeling and this day is the day that separates the ones who really want it and the ones who just talk. So keep going and one day you will see some result. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe, give a like, do all of this shit, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Have a good one.